What's up YouTube, back again with another quick video, and in this one I'm just going to be going over or giving you a quick review of Topaz Labs Photo AI 2. Now this software is available for download as a trial, which is ideal for you to just see if it's going to be worth the purchase for you, but in my opinion it's a definite win. Anyway, we'll get to that as we go along. It retails for $199, which is around £160, I think it is, at time of recording this video. And it's super simple to install. Integrates into Lightroom, Photoshop Elements, Capture One, and Apple Photos. And you can also use it on Affinity Photo, and there's other applications as well. I haven't looked into that, but anyway, let's get into it. Now this software is AI based and machine learning, blah blah blah. We've all heard of AI. It's a big thing at the moment. But anyway, instead of talking about the software, let's just see it in action and we shall show you what it can do. Okay, so we've got the software loaded. Now, if you're like me and you do print off pictures and you get pictures of other people, you know, they've got them on the mobile phones, you know, they might be a few years old and, you know, to them, they look great on the mobile. But when it comes to blowing them up, they start getting pixelated. They just don't look good. So if you do a lot of that sort of work, I think this photo suite would be ideal for you, as it is for me. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight in with this picture. Now this picture, I think it's less than a megabyte in size. So what this software does automatically initializes the software, and then it goes into autopilot, and then it detects what it thinks this picture will need in the way of improvements to get it up to a good standard. Okay, so it's detected the face, blah, blah, blah. Nice and easy. There's a subject. And, okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to get this up to 800%. Then we can have a real good look at how this software works. Okay, so there is the picture at 800%. It's really pixelated, as you can see here. Now, what I'm going to click on is I'm going to click on the sharpen subject, and I'm going to adjust that just a little bit, the strength of it down to around about the 30 mark. I'm also going to, I'm just going to leave the denoising down just a little bit as well. Now it's recovered the face, and then we're just going to bring that down just a little bit. Now it has a little green marker where it suggests the the picture should be, so I will leave that there actually. And then it's done an upscaling by 1.9. Okay, so as you can see here, this is, you know, live on the screen. I'm not messing around with it anyway, other than to show you exactly what this software has achieved for me. You can see there with this little box how far we've zoomed in on this picture, and that is the dramatic difference it has made to this picture. Again, no one's going to be zooming in this far, but the overall quality of the picture has been, you can't see it there, but once you start zooming in just a little bit, then the difference is quite apparent. Just look at the eye. We'll just go on to that eye just a little bit more. So we're at 400%. Just look at the eye before and after. Before and after. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to save that. And we'll just say canvas. We're going to put it on the desktop. We want it at 100%. Anyway, so we're going to save the image, processing. So it's gone from 320 kilobits to just over a megabyte in size. So the resolution of the image was 1600 by 2000, and now it's at 3104 by 388 in image size. So that is a definite improvement. One we've just done. There's the original. Again, like I said, side by side, we can't really see much of a difference until we start zooming in just a little bit, and then we can see here how it was. And then we'll zoom in on this one, try and get it exactly the same. Just one more, I think. There we go. And then you can just see, you know, just look at the eyes. Let's just get it round about right. Look at the eyes, how they were, and look at how it is now. Now again, anything AI based, it's not 100% perfect, but there is a massive improvement from the original picture, as you can see there. And now I will be happy to print that for my clients. They will be happy as well. Anyway, so that was my quick review of Photo AI by Topaz. It's a definite win for me. You may think it's a little bit pricey, but if you do a lot of this work, resizing and resharpening images, then it's definitely a win for you. Anyway, just a quick video. Like I said, it's a definite win. I'll leave a link in the description. You can go and try it for yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.